welcome. It's a pretty cool lock that I got from a friend of mine who was in Malaysia recently. Yeah, and he bought it for me as a present. So Klaus, thank you very much for the very nice lock. Before we look at the lock really close in person, let's quickly check the package. KINbar padlock. KINbar is the brand. Protect your property. On the back, all kind of security writings. So shackle, heat treated, anti-drill. Well, don't know if you really want to try to drill out a shackle. Barbarian locking mechanism, that's true. Rust proof and 5-pin tumbler key. Pick resistance. Yeah, it's a 5 wafer tumbler. Anyway, it's a 5-star rating, anti-theft safety rating, made in China. And when we look at the website, so that's their website, that's the first page. When you open the website, it says KINbar lock, your right choose, protect your properties. Seems they really love the letter O. And a guy holding a ridiculous big padlock in his hands. So pretty cool. All right. Yeah, that's the lock. Very nice appearance. Nice finish, actually. With these plants here around, you can feel it with your finger. Yeah, really cool finish. Nice color. KINbar, most popular lock, leading security. And it says good on the front. Yeah, again 2 O's. And here on the back we have an arrow pointing towards the keyway, and we have the states on and off, so we can switch it off and turn it on. Currently it's switched off. Yeah, here are the keys. Also pretty cool with all these colors here. KINbar. Very long key, actually too long, as you will see in a second, with bidding the same on both sides. And we have 5 cuts. Yeah, it's too long, it sticks out a little bit. That's not so nice, so I would love to see the key going on all the way, but it works really nice. Turns with no spring tension. Lock opens, so shackle comes out, also with no tension. And here we can see the Barbarian and the bolt at the back that's holding the plug in place. Oh, that's the bolt here that you can see. Yeah, pretty nice lock. So let's pick it, and it needs to be picked in 2 stages. We have wafers here inside. You can see it opposite to the off. We can see the wafers here. Actually nothing on the other side, as it looks like. But maybe there is 1 wafer or so. But yeah, let's pick it and you will see what I mean. I use a rake to start. And it will, yeah, maybe you have seen it. It turns a little bit, just like a faucet, and then nothing. Yeah, you get nothing anymore out of these wafers. What you can do, or what you have to do, is you have to use your pick and push on one of these wafers on the off side. If you do that carefully, try again to get this on camera. Without camera it's a matter of seconds. Very reliable. So I think it's okay. So it's partially open. Here we go. Now it has turned. So now it's turned on and you can open it up. Alright, so let's switch it off. It's locked up and it still works with a key, hopefully. And it does. Yeah, pretty cool lock. Thank you very much, Klaus, for giving me such a nice present. Yeah, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking and bye-bye.